country. The victim, known as Nirbhaya, fought bravely for her life but passed away. His case awakened India and led to stronger laws against sexual violence.
हे बाय पहिले brightness.
The second case represented Payal Tadvi case. Payal Tadvi was a young doctor in Mumbai who faced harassment at her workplace. Unable to bear constant humiliation, she tragically died in 2019. Her case started a national conversation about harassment and discrimination in professional space. The third case represented Lakshmi Agrawal acid attack case. At the age of 15, Lakshmi Agrawal was attacked with acid in Delhi. Instead of giving up, she became a powerful activist against acid attack. Today she inspires thousands of survivors across India.
ओए ये black
The fourth case represented Kathua rape case. In 2018, an 8-year-old girl from Kathua was brutally assaulted and murdered. The incident shook the nation and raised serious concern about child safety. It reminded society of the urgent need to protect every child. The fifth case represented Banwari Devi case. Banwari Devi, a social worker from Rajasthan, was assaulted in 1992 for trying to stop child marriage. Her courage led to a historic legal change. Her case resulted in the Vishakha guidelines, which protect women from workplace harassment.
मन करे सो प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण
The
दे
sixth
वही
case represented Hyderabad veterinary doctor rape and murder case. In 2019, a young veterinary doctor Hyderabad was brutally assaulted and murdered. The tragedy sparked nationwide protest demanding justice and stronger protection for women. The seventh case represented Me Too movement. The Me Too movement encouraged women across India to speak openly about harassment and abuse. For the first time, many survivors found the courage to break their silence and demand accountability. The eighth case represented Bilkis Bano case. During 2002 Gujarat riots, Bilkis Bano faced horrific violence. Despite years of struggle and threats, she continued fighting for justice. Her courage became a symbol of resilience and determination. The ninth case represented Unnao rape case. In Unnao, a young woman courageously accused a powerful politician of rape. Despite threats and attacks, she continued her fight for justice. Her bravery exposed misuse of power and demanded accountability. The tenth case represented Hadras gang rape and murder case. In 2020, a young woman in Hadras died after a brutal assault. The case created massive protests across India demanding justice and dignity for victims. The 11th case represented tribute to all survivors. This final walk represented every survivor who chose courage over silence. Their stories remind us that pain can transform into power and change society. Each model on the ramp represents a story of struggle, resilience, and empowerment. Because a woman is not defined by her suffering, she is defined by her strength, rise again. So get ready to witness a ramp where fashion meets courage and style carries a powerful message.
स्कर्टी सारी रात दोपहरी डर डर के नहीं चलूंगी कैंडल जला के सैंडल दिखा के मर मर के नहीं चलूंगी
जो उठेगा धड़ से कटेगा कहाँ पे छिपेगा कहाँ पे बचेगा उठा तो गिरेगा गिरा तो चिरेगा छिपा तो मिलेगा मिला तो मरेगा बच सके तो बच ले आज भी है ये ज़लज़ला है पूरे जोर पर चला है किस्मत में जो लड़ा है कौन रह सका खड़ा है सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित dream of night, a dream of day, a dream of watching it fade away. Feel me once, feel me twice, feel me more, I shoot you inside. You gotta keep running if you want to survive. नाच नाच सारी रात क्या पता मैं कल पीट पीट ढोल पीट हाथ पाँव मार के